Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Nissan Leaf trunk. The most common way to open the hatch is by using the rubber opener switch located directly under the trunk's handle. First, make sure your vehicle is unlocked. Then, simply press this switch and lift the hatch upwards. It's a straightforward method that allows for quick and easy access to your cargo space, whether you're loading groceries or luggage. Another convenient way to open your Leaf trunk is by using your intelligent key fob. Look for the dedicated trunk release button on your key. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. You'll hear the latch disengage, and then you can simply walk to the rear of the vehicle and lift the hatch open. This method is particularly useful when approaching your car with your hands full. In situations where your vehicle's battery is discharged or other methods fail, there's an emergency release. Inside the trunk, you'll find a small access opening. You can insert a suitable tool, like a flathead screwdriver, into this opening. Gently move the internal release lever to the side, and the hatch will unlatch. This is a crucial safety feature for accessing the trunk during unexpected circumstances. When troubleshooting, always ensure your Nissan Leaf is unlocked. The hatch will not open if the doors are locked. Also, visually inspect the trunk area for any items or debris that might be obstructing the latch mechanism. If you encounter persistent issues, your owner's manual provides detailed information and diagrams specific to your vehicle's model. Remember, a little check can often resolve common opening difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.